you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So I'm gonna start off doing my eyebrows using a Two Freedom eyebrow pencil. I would link this in the description box below. It has the little brushes to it. It's my first time using it, so I'm a little excited to try something new. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows. I like this eyebrow pencil because it's giving me what I'm looking for. Like with the little brushes that comes on there, it's giving me like little small hair-like strokes. Okay, so now I got a new brush set and I'm so happy. So this is the BB brush set. It's the Eye Obsession collection. 15 eye brushes and a brush pouch. And this is how it looks. And it has like everything that comes in it in the back. So I'm gonna go into the Nubian by Juvia's Place palette. And I'm gonna be using the E05 BB brush. And I'm gonna go in this shade right here. And I'm just gonna add that into like a little bit above my crease. So the look that I'm going for today is like a natural look, but with the pop of color. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this E04 blend brush, and I'm gonna take just a little bit of this dark brown and add it to my crease as well. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but I added a little bit of primer by my tear duct because I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade because I want that shade to pop. What I'm gonna do is take that little bit of eyeshadow that's already on the brush, and I'm just gonna like sweep it this way. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes. Now I'm gonna go into the e.l.f. matte putty primer, and I'm gonna use this to prime my face. Okay, I know y'all thinking like, girl, why do you have your face looking like that? Okay, so I put a lot on because I want my makeup to stay on all day. I'm gonna go in with my Profusion face brush set, and it looks like this. This brush comes with the spongy and a brush cleaner. Okay, so I'm gonna use my e.l.f. foundation in the shade Mocha, and then I'm gonna use my foundation brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my NYX concealer. and do my highlight. And it's in a shade, I think, Cocoa. Yeah, Cocoa. Okay, I know you can barely see the concealer that I added on my face, but I'm gonna go into this lighter concealer and I'm just gonna add a little bit there, not too much, just a little bit. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna use my mineral powder to powder contour.
Longing is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less.
Okay, so now I'm going to use my setting powder to set my highlight.
And ends in just a wink. Pass me the light, baby.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Black Radiance blush. So I added my highlight off camera using this shade. Now I'm gonna use my mascara before applying my eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my favorite lip liner, and I'm gonna apply my liquid lipstick by L'Oreal, Bittersweet. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be back with the finished look. So I am back with the finished look. If you would like to see a video on how I install these butterfly locks, leave a comment in the section below letting me know that you would like to see it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.